You know, I was talking to myself I'm multi personality, and one of my personalities said, hmm. And I said to myself, you know you're a bad bitch, don't you? And I said to myself, yay. Nah, I told y'all a few minutes. I don't know how many minutes it was. I didn't tell myself, look, I'm just trying to get some shit done. I ain't no real YouTuber or nothing like that. You can tell by my uploads. But I am a real bad bitch. Okay. And I got evidence. All right. This is why bitches hate me. You know what I'm saying? It's crucial when I go up on scene. I'm bringing more than ass with me. Anyway, that rust is out of the, see them big ass chunks? I, I, I was gonna clean that out because I'm OCD, but I had to show y'all these big ass, it was a whole wall of rust attached to this metal right here on this side. Let me come on around. Show y'all this shit right here, my masterwork. I'm a bad bitch, I'm telling you, down to the metal. Now when I clean this, and just all I'm gonna be doing is just wiping away the debris because it's already ate down to the metal. That's what those big flakes are, chunks of rust deposits that I didn't have to do no heavy scraping. All I did was just knock the holes off. Some of them just falling off by themselves. But I just hipped it along the way it did, just so I can show y'all how cold I am with this metal work. Bad bitch on the scene, you know what I mean?